Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and in this week's video, I'm going to show you two very fabulous and very festive hairstyles for the holiday season. So much for tuning into this week's video. I'm really excited because as you see, we have a special guest.
Hey guys, I'm back again.
Yes, this is Dani Priester, and as you all know, whenever Dani is in one of my videos, something fabulous is about to go down. If you can't already tell.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. So much fabulosity every time you walk into my life. I'm happy that she's here. Yes. And we've been talking for a really long time about collaborating with each other and just doing more videos together. And
exactly.
And the time is now.
Yeah, the time is now.
Yeah.
I'm in the beauty industry. You're in the beauty industry. Well, let's mash it all together and like create greatness. I mean, look.
Hello. So if you know, as you can already see, she has hooked me up with this fabulous hairstyle, and our video today is all about the holidays, doing a fabulous look with your natural hair. Yes, my hair is out, it's not all my hair, but doing it with your natural hair in a way that is not damaging and also helps you to switch up your normal and everyday look.
Yeah,
you know?
Exactly. Sometimes, you know, for the holidays, people want to have a different look for a holiday party or a gathering, and you want minimal manipulation to your natural hair.
Yeah.
So, I mean, hey,
why
not try a different look?
Exactly. And so Dani's going to walk us through step by step how exactly to achieve this look as well as another very fabulous look.
Yeah, I love that.
Yes, Dani's obsessed with the other look. I'm obsessed with both of them, but you know, this one is my fave because I'm basic. But this is not very basic.
No, 30 inches is never basic.
Yeah, 30 inches is never basic. So this is going to be a little different than I normally do, and I just want you to watch with an open mind and heart and get excited because I want you to feel inspired to try something new for the holiday season and going into the new year. So without further ado,
let's get into it.
Yeah.
Now we are bobby pinning in the synthetic hair into the braids. The braids we made to create our base so that we can stick the bobby pins in because this hair is not on clips. Normally, if you have clip-ins, you would just clip the hair into the braids, but since we have wefted hair, which is hair on a track, for those that don't know, we're just gonna use these little bobby pins, and that's gonna be our anchor.
What color is this one?
This is a 1B. Oh, this is like closest to your natural hair color. Most natural hair color is like a 1B. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of a 4, which is like a brown. Yeah.
Excited. Look at that, we are almost done. My hair is voluminous right now. Look at Dani in the back, looking fine. Guys, Dani is so shy, but you know, we're gonna get her out of her comfort zone. And oh, there she is in the back. Look.
Hi guys.
Okay, so what's up next now?
So now we're just brushing through the hair, and we're going to create a ponytail at the top.
Okay, cool.
And attach the rest of the hair to the ponytail and give us that sexy half up, half down look with the volume and the drama.
Yes, one of my favorite looks. Yes. It's definitely like a popular look right now, and I'm obsessed with it, so I'm excited. Setting the hair down, and now we're about to add the rest to the ponytail. Guys, I'm loving this color, this little pop of color in here.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's definitely cute.
So with the ponytail, I apply it the same way with the bobby pins.
Okay, cool.
So, and the braid is our anchor. And I stick the bobby pins into the braid and then wrap the hair around. And continue to work up the ponytail.
Nice. And this is something that people can do easily with clip-ins.
Correct. They could do it themselves.
Great. All right. So right now you're gonna do something I thought was pretty innovative. So what's happening next?
So I'm going to add a little more hair that we have from the back into the top for the ponytail because I just want to give us more volume at the top of your hair.
Okay.
Yeah, great. So that's what we're doing.
Okay, cool.
So now we're gonna go in and fluff and cut, create like layers and fluff it out so that the curl is not too defined. It's just like, it's giving drama. It's giving like Diana Ross mixed with Beyonce mixed with...
I love it. I love all of the above. All of the above. I'm like, ooh, and who else? And who else? Yes. Oh my gosh. Cool. Okay. Oh, so this is how we're getting the layers. Very nice. Yeah. Don't just slap the hair on and hope for the best. You gotta create some volume, right?
Exactly. And then create a little bit of a look around the base. Maybe everybody doesn't need to go this big, but go big or go home.
Exactly. I think that you can have your own variation of this look. It doesn't have to be the exact thing, but mainly we wanted to give inspiration so that anyone who is trying something new for the holidays can, you know, be inspired by this.
Correct.
Exactly. And also it teaches you that you don't have to color your hair to get that pop of color that a lot of us are hoping for to kind of switch things up, because look at that. Perfect.
You have a whole highlight, girl.
I have I have a whole set of highlights now, and I'm just like, what?
I love it. I love this color on you.
Yeah, I do too. I like it a lot.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, I have not done highlights, so this is great. Yes, so I am obsessed with this look, Dani.
Look at the holiday look, guys.
This is the perfect look for the holidays because it gives drama, yet it's still, I think, festive enough to where it feels like perfect for the holiday season, for any event that you're going to, whether you're going to a holiday party, dinner, New Year's Eve.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Whatever it is.
And look at this little pop of color we put up in here.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
It's gorge.
The pop of color is insane.
And so natural looking.
Yeah, it is. It is. That was a great call. to add that color. So, you know, Dani.
I mean, it's the holidays. It's time to go all out, you know? Christmas, New Year's, like.
Yes, exactly.
Fun look.
Yep, and then you can do a simple beat like the one that I have, and then just a pop of color on the lips, whether it's a bright red, a deep burgundy, or brown, whatever it is. I feel like it works perfectly.
Love it.
Yes. All right, so that's look number one. We have a whole second look coming up, so stay tuned for the rest of the video where we show you how to do that. Hello, so this is part 2 of our holiday hairstyles video. I'm really excited to show y'all today's style. Dani, are you excited about this look?
Yes, I am. It's one of your favorite looks.
Oh my gosh, I was just gonna say that because Dani thinks I'm gonna love this one more than yesterday, so we'll see. I'll be the judge of that. But yes, I got my Sealy braids in, so we're all ready for.
Yeah, we're gonna take them out, blow dry it out straight, and then more to come. You'll see.
Yes. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, so now we're all blown out, nice and straight, and we're going to be applying a U-part wig.
Ooh.
With some inches, honey.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So it's my first time wearing a U-part wig. I'm really excited. Yeah. Dani be killing it with these, so
you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Yes. And you said that it also has clip-in parts. The wig.
So the inside of the wig has little clips so that you can take it off and on at your leisure.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Oh, let me.
But what I do is on your hair, I braid most of your hair down so that the clips have something to attach to. The braid is an anchor, and you can take it off and on at your leisure if you don't want to sleep with it, or you can keep it in for a couple of days.
Ooh, okay. Yeah. I love the versatility. Okay, all right. So we'll document that next process. Oh, and the girl's hair is growing.
Yes, honey.
I'm pleased.
What?
Okay, so we're pretty much, well, not all the way yet. We still have more braid down.
Well, no, the braids are done. So I'm bobby pinning the tails of the braids down.
Okay. Nice.
So then it's just creating our super flat base.
Okay. That
we are going to attach the U-part to. Typically, you don't have to do a cornrow set underneath the U-part wig, but since you're going to be leaving the U-part in for a couple of days, and it's going to be like just, you know, part of your life.
Yes.
I said, let's just braid it down, attach it really good, and you know, you're going to be able to have flexibility with it as well.
Okay, cool. I'm excited. Very nice. This is a very lovely process. So I see, so you left some hair out here, we got the hair here in a U shape, and then some more hair here, which is really cool.
Yeah, the U part at the top allows us to do middle part, side part, or you can just push it back and kind of let it fall how it falls. So I'll show all of that later on.
Okay, great.
The styling.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
So
guys, now we've attached the U-part wig, and we're going to blow dry it and blend Aisha's leave out with the wig. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be fabulous.
It's looking good so far. I'm really excited. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, she's shaping the wig. She's not cutting my hair off. I mean, she might. I need a trim, so.
We do need to do a trim. We're just doing a nice little blend, a light blend around the face. Yes.
We are pretty much done.
Yeah, pretty much the finished look. I mean,
Yeah.
you know.
And so tell me about the versatility.
Okay, so with the U-part wigs, you're able to wear your hair in the middle part, side part, wear it all back and kind of just let it flow how it flows. You can even put ponytails, half up, half down.
Ooh,
You know what I'm
yes, look at that.
saying? Get a little
Look at that.
look.
Mm-hmm.
So today with you, I was thinking maybe we can do something a little to the side, jazz it up a little bit.
Okay.
And yeah.
All right, sounds good. I'm excited. As you can see, I've got my glam on now. Ooh, already. Oh, wow. There you go. So easy.
I love that.
Yeah, I love that too. Oh, perfect.
She ready?
She ready for the holiday season. So there you have it. Dani styled the hell out of me for the holiday season.
That's what I do, okay?
Oh, I feel so fabulous, and I really loved both looks so much. So
yes.
Thank you for slaying me and inspiring my audience this holiday season.
Yes, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to let people know that they can rock different looks. Like, you know, step out of your comfort zone a little bit. Would you have ever done these looks without me?
Absolutely not.
Exactly.
And not in a bad way, but like, I just would have never thought that I could pull
That
this
could
off.
be created. Exactly.
Exactly. So
And you came out fabulous.
Yes, so I'm really happy that you opened my eyes.
Yes.
And I hope that she opened your eyes as well. You know, I think we have a few more things coming.
Oh, guys, stay tuned. I got a lot of heat coming. You know, I got a lot of different looks that I want to throw on Aisha. She's a beautiful canvas, as we can see. And
girl.
like, you guys just stay posted.
Oh my
We
god.
got something new coming. Probably, what, once a month?
Yeah.
Once every 2 weeks?
Yeah, I'm thinking once a month. We might ramp it up to every 2 weeks, but
All right.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. We have some really great videos coming. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit that bell icon so that you know when my next video goes live. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, leave them in the comment section below. Also, I want to announce that Dani has finally created her own YouTube channel. I'm gonna link to it in the description box below.
Yes, come subscribe, guys.
Yes, so make sure that you subscribe to her channel. She's gonna be sharing so much there, and I can't wait to see it grow. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
Yes.